Getting the charcoal ready. Gonna do a little Dutch oven cooking in the snow.
That's a big one right there. I hadn't got to do that in a few years.
First time ever here on the corner. This is a rare, unique opportunity that just doesn't ever happen around here in Northwest Georgia. I'm loving it. Oh yeah, looks like the coals. Oh yeah, they about ready. Gonna be using my Squire Dutch oven today. Camp Chef. Love this thing. God don't sell at the Tractor Supply. Oh yeah, all right, this is ready. Go ahead and set this down. Ooh yeah, making a little sizzling. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Turn it down real low. I don't want to turn it completely off. The snow's about to put it out. Alright, I'll set my Squire Dutch oven on here. Alright. I'll go get the onions. Let's see, I'll go get the onions and the butter. Okay, guys, I want to let you know ahead of time. I've already pre-cooked my chicken. Now, what my chicken is chicken thighs. I soaked them in a jar of pickle juice for about 2 days, and then I cooked them in a crock pot, and they come off the bone just like you wouldn't believe, and shredded them up real good. So that's already been done, taken care of. I'll go ahead and move this. Now, I've got my shredded chicken, I got my onions, and I got my butter. I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate it all in the pan and go ahead and get that cooking. That chicken has got a little bit of that pickle juice in it. And what that does, guys, oh my God, I'm gonna have to show you what this looks like. What that does, it makes their chicken taste just like Chick-fil-A chicken. If you like Chick-fil-A, you soak your chicken, soak it in pickle juice. You can grill it, you can do and make enchiladas just like this. Oh my God. And it's really, it gives it an extra kick in the flavor. God, I can smell them pickles cooking right now. This is awesome. Let me show you what this looks like. Look at the goodness. Holy moly. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. We're coming along real good, guys. Wow, the mailman even runs down here when it snows, y'all. Check it out. All right. Oh, I bet I know who this come from. Cold Bush beer. It's better than a beer stump, boys. Beer mailbox. Cold Bush, baby. Ain't nothing better than a good old bush. Bill Gaddis, big shout out to you, brother. I got these especially up in Tennessee, and I don't open them up unless it's a special occasion. And a day like today, it's a pretty special occasion. Thank you, Carolina Chris, for this Texas Pete shirt. I really like it, man. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let's see. Let me put my bush right there. Texas Pete, baby. There's no meal complete without Texas Pete. Just remember that. Hashtag Texas Pete, hashtag Bush Beer. Y'all get your priorities straight. I'm getting them straight on the corner. Man, that is good. Exercise caution, because this pan's gonna be very hot. This chicken and onions, it's done. I'm doing this reverse. This is actually from Cowboy Rollins, and he done his completely different. Y'all watch his video. I'll have his link at the very end. Most of y'all know who Cowboy Rollins is. He's an excellent Dutch oven cook. So I'm gonna move my square Dutch oven over here using my gloves for caution. I'm gonna be putting on a Wagner, an old-timey Wagner skillet. He used a Wagner to cook the chicken and everything, and then used the Dutch to put everything else in, but we're doing it like this, all right? I'm not doing it per se exactly the way he did it. I'm just doing it my way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat up this milk. So I'm gonna put this in here. All right, you can do the same thing, or you can go to Cowboy Kent Rollins page, and he's got a link on there where it's printable, where you can actually print out that tells you directions on how to cook this and what you'll need to do this, guys. So as you know, milk, like he says, it will, you just got to heat it up. So you got to turn your heat down because you don't want to scorch your milk. You just want to get it pretty warm. So I'm working on this. All right, and then I'll come right back and I'm gonna be adding the green hatch chilies and my dry spices. Looks like my milk has come up to temperature. So what I'm gonna stir in now is these green hatch chilies. You can use fresh, or you can buy them out of the can, just like I got. This is my cumin, my garlic powder, black pepper. I'm gonna get this going in here, get it stirred in. Boy, that looks good. Golly, the smell off of that. Oh my goodness. Y'all cannot imagine how good this smells. Yes, sir. This is gonna be a great meal on a cold day like today. Appreciate y'all coming by Calvin's Corner 72. And if you don't mind, hit that like button for me. If you like this video, you like my video content, subscribe if you think about it. Just go ahead and hit the button and hit the bell. And when you hit the bell, it'll give you a notification when I cook some more Dutch oven cooking videos and stuff. You know what I mean? So if you like it, like it. If you don't, hit the thumbs down and tell me why. Got her melted down. It's all incorporated in. Looks real, real good. We're going to go to the next step. What y'all think about that? What looks good? Guys, I'm going to be adding a whole packet of cream cheese. I mean the whole pack. Now, per the directions it says to cut it up, but I'm going to cut it up as I stir it around. Alright, a whole pack of cream cheese. And just to kick it up a little bit, I'm going to put some cayenne pepper on it. Oh yeah. This is going to make it better. More better. Guys, I'm going to have to apologize. I went about this the wrong way. I was supposed to put do this completely a different way. Supposed to also put sour cream in here. So I apologize for that. And heavy whipping cream. I'm outside trying to run the camera and it's fighting me a little bit, to say the least. And I'm gonna put a whole thing of this heavy whipping cream in here, because that's what it calls for. I think a cup and a half or something. Well, not quite a whole thing of it. Let's go with that. I'm gonna stir this up so this is good and mixed in and incorporated. This is gonna be our enchilada sauce. I'm probably going about this the wrong way, but I can tell you what, by tasting of it a while ago, I'm gonna give it a taste test right now. Oh no. Oh no, you cannot go wrong. You know what's the thing about Dutch oven cooking, guys? It's very forgiving. When it's something like this, you just mix it up basically. You can't go wrong. You really can't. I'm gonna heat this up. I will admit this is not the exact way, and no means that Cowboy Kent Rollins did his, but it's the way I'm doing mine today, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I think it's gonna turn out. I think it's gonna turn out just fine, because I'm outside and it's snowing. On the corner, baby. Okay, guys. Here's my bowl full of snow. This is cooled down to the touch, so I can actually take this lid off, okay? This is starting to do a little rocking and rolling over here. And that's kind of what I want. I want it to get nice and smooth. All right, my chicken, it's done. So I'm gonna move it out of this pan right here. I'm gonna put it in this bowl. Oh yeah. Bet y'all was wondering when I was gonna do that, wasn't you? Well, that little piece right there is talking to me. That's calling my name. Oh my God. I'm gonna move this pan over here. All right. Now, turn my heat back up. This pan is done cooled back down quite a bit. Now, let me get my flour tortillas. But I'm using these today. They're low carb tortillas, guys. These things are amazing. They're only 6 grams of carbs, each one of them. You can't beat it. I mean, you can't beat it. All right, so I'm gonna pour about half of this in the pan. I'm gonna stir this around. It's enchilada sauce, okay? I'm gonna stir this around. Get it incorporated on the bottom real good. All right? We'll get a flour tortilla. And believe it or not, I've only got 3 of them. I know there's 8 in the pack, but I run low. So, and I ain't running to the store. So you want to put you some of this in here. Okay, and I'm gonna fill it up pretty good bit. You see that, guys? Fold it. Roll it up. And I'm gonna pop it in here. I'm gonna put it in the bed. We're gonna do all 3 of these as quick as I can. I really appreciate y'all coming by watching my channel. I enjoy this. You can't hardly beat it, man. Good cooking like this. Shoot. This is good where you're at home, like I am, here on the corner, or you're out camping. Whatever you want to do. It's fun, baby. I love it. This chicken with this that I cooked is chicken breast and thighs. Let me tell you, it's amazing what that pickle juice would do to that chicken and make it taste like. I mean, it's amazing. All right, for today's video, I'm actually only going to have 3 of these, and I hope y'all can see that. I'll bring this over so y'all can see. All right, they're moving around in here. And I'm gonna take the rest of this. I know I'm supposed to have more, but I'm gonna drizzle it all over the top. And believe me, this will not go to waste. Guys, it will not go to waste. Every bit of this will be eaten. I don't care whether you eat it with these or not. You can eat it with chips or whatever. Because this stuff is amazing. It's really, really good. And I know some of y'all been wondering, why did you get the coals out? Well, I'm fixing to show you. Hang on. All right. So I got the fire underneath. And if I had more coals, I'd put coals underneath and coals on top. Gotta get that water out there. I'm gonna put them to bed. And I'm gonna drop this temperature down a little bit so it doesn't scald. Because milk will scald, and I don't want it to. And I'm gonna take these coals. And here's where the oven part comes in, guys. I'm putting coals on top. And this, believe it or not, will give it the oven effect. This should brown it up really good on top. I think what I'm gonna do, good coals here on top, fresh ones, and they'll catch up and they'll keep it going. We're gonna see what this turns out like. One way or the other, it's gonna get eat. Appreciate y'all coming by. Calum's Corner 72. It's a rare occasion, guys. We've already got about 2 inches of snow out here. It just don't happen, guys. It don't happen. That's a big one right there. Here comes one. This is awesome, guys. You can't beat Dutch oven cooking, man, especially out here on the corner in the snow, baby. Guys, I had no idea we was gonna get this much snow today. Let's see what she looks like. Holy moly. That looks good, guys. Okay, it's been about 15-20 minutes. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some cheese all over the top of this. Holy moly. Oh yeah. That looks amazing, guys. I'm gonna put it back in here. Let it go about 10 more minutes. Then we're gonna do a taste test. I can smell it now, boy. Smells like victory. Look at the snow, guys. I don't know what to say. Calum's Corner 72. Believe it or not, it's been about 15-20 minutes. Let's get this thing opened up here. Holy moly. Look at that. I mean, look at the goodness on that. I got snow all in my plate, but I'm gonna dig me one of these babies out. Holy moly. Now this looks good, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be sloppy, it's gonna be messy. Guys, can y'all see that? Let's go dig into this. Oh boy, I can't wait to try this out. This looks so amazing, guys. Oh, but you know what? I got one thing I gotta get. There is no meal complete, and I mean no meal complete without Texas Pete. Thank you, Carolina Chris. Thank you, Texas Pete. We love you, brother. Oh, a generous helping. A good old Texas Pete. All right, let's try this out. Cowboy Kent's enchilada, chicken enchilada, low carb tortillas. All this is low carb with cheese. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can y'all see in that? Can y'all see that? On a cold, wet, snowy day in northwest Georgia, on the corner, you cannot beat this. You cannot beat it. Y'all check this video out at the end where Cowboy Kent Rollins shows you really how to do this. Thank you, Cowboy Kent Rollins, for the recipe. Thank you, Texas Pete. Thank you, Carolina Chris. I really enjoyed this. And if you've enjoyed this today, hit like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you will. Come on back over here on the corner where happiness is always just around the corner. Get me another one, lady.